solar system. The solar system is where we live. Planet Earth is one of 8 planets that rotate around the Sun in what is known in space language as orbit. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, then Venus, Earth, that's us, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The planets are held in place by the massive gravitational pull of the Sun. Gravity is what stops the planets in the solar system from flying off into outer space, and it's what stops us from floating off the face of the Earth. In space terms, the law of gravity is relatively simple. The bigger the planet or star, the stronger the gravitational pull. The Sun is the only star in the solar system, and it is enormous. In fact, the Sun makes up over 99% of all known mass in the solar system, which means that the rest of the planets combined are less than 1% of the mass of the Sun. Wow, that's big. The Sun is also a long way away from Earth, approximately 150 million kilometres. It would take an aeroplane over 19 years to fly that far. Not surprisingly, the Sun is very hot. On the surface of the Sun, the temperature is around 2 million degrees Celsius, however at the core it is more like 15 million degrees. Luckily, the Earth is far enough away from the Sun that we don't burn up, and close enough not to freeze over permanently. It is because the Earth is in this habitable zone that the Earth has liquid water and hence can sustain life. But how do we know all this? Let's take a look at how the solar system was first discovered. For thousands of years, ancient civilizations including the ancient Egyptians, Aztecs and indigenous Australians have wondered at the stars, the Sun and the Moon and carefully observed and recorded their movements. But it wasn't until around year 475 AD that Indian astrologer Aryabhata made some important discoveries, including predicting that the Earth rotates, giving us day and night. Aryabhata was also amongst the first to determine that eclipses were caused by the Earth's shadow rather than by demons, as was the popular belief at the time. Around 550 years ago, the Polish astronomer Copernicus proved that the Sun was at the centre of the solar system and that the Earth and all of the planets are orbiting around the Sun. Soon after, Italian Galileo was the first to gaze at the stars through a telescope, allowing for then unprecedented clarity and closer inspections of the planets. Today, new discoveries continue to be made, with bodies like NASA and CSIRO at the cutting edge of new discovery. NASA's Hubble telescope continues to peer further and further into outer space and capture incredible images like these. In 2011, NASA's orbiting Kepler telescope found the first planet thought to be capable of harbouring life form. The planet, named Kepler 22b, is in a distant galaxy around 600 light years away and a predicted 23 million years journey from Earth in a spaceship. Clearly, that's a journey that's not going to happen anytime soon, so for now, all we can do is continue to gaze in wonder at the distant stars, just as we have for thousands of years.